Santa Fe. Why is that sticker still there? I have no idea. But it does remind you how to open the door, which we're going to do because we're going to take this back panel off, which I love to make videos of because we're going to try to take that tail out too. But first is the hatch panel. So let's take this puppy off, and we're going to start right here because we already put this puppy in. And that is right here. But that's none of your concern. So let's take this puppy off and use both hands because it'd be easier. Or grab right there. There's a little notch right there. It even says here, finger me. So take this stuff out and continue on. I'm going to pop this guy out, I'm sure. You got a push pin right there, you see? So let's start pulling on things and see what happens. Left, right. So what I did was pulled firmly, grabbing both sides. One here, both hands here, pull this guy out. And then when it came to these, pulled outward like this, upward toward the sky. Same with this. And that releases this guy right here. So you're sort of prying upward and out like that. All right, screw, get a gun. Well, that wasn't too bad. After the screw, and the other screw is hidden somewhere, this puppy actually came out as I was pulling on this side. So I came from this side, pulled down, and then we lost one, folks. We lost one. We will say a prayer for it. So we'll just probably move one from here and put it here. Got plenty of them. I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 347. And now, it's actually salvageable. We could salvage this. This piece of it broke, so we could put it back in. And when you put it back, this thing, like I said, you could probably pop it out. It has these two little clips in it. Right there. One there. But it actually came out as this whole panel helped pop it out. So, now that the panel's off, the power lift gate does not work. That's a good thing, because we're taking that light bulb out. See this puppy? We're taking her out. 4 screws. That's a lie. 4 bolts. 10 mils. And they are. We'll sit like this and show you. There's 2 here. And 2 there. And now that we have the door sitting this way, we unplugged. Alright. See how the door is sitting on a slight little... And using both hands, you can get up under here and under here. And actually, is no more clips holding this thing in. So I like it. So let's get this puppy out. I'll show you how easy it is. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. You think so? Think so? Nah. And there we have the taillight. Same on the other side. See that panel? I removed it. Yay. I still don't understand why he has a sticker on there, just in case he forgets how to open the door. So this is how to remove this camera right here. So, check out the taillights. And those puppies are sitting right there. 4 10 mils on each side. 2 more 10 mils right here. 1, 2. Those are right there. And be very careful. So what I did was I pulled these 2 firmly outward. Okay. Let it back up. Firmly, Wesley. But what I noticed was this started bending. So to make matters easier, I grabbed this puppy and this puppy. And I went and squeezed No, no. Didn't want to do that. These guys. The long little nose on her looks like Pinocchio. And you squeeze with those blue guys. And it makes life so much easier because this starts bending right here. I should have showed you, but I didn't want to because I wanted to make sure these puppies were up out of my way. Now, how to get this thing completely off are two ways. I don't want to do it from here, right? That's your, what is this? That's your button, I guess? Maybe that's the other button. No, that's the camera. Or, right here is another wonderful plug. You squeeze this and push this rubber out, and the whole thing will come out. Now, I don't want to do it because this thing is still powered up and brand new at the time, 24. So, that's how you actually get this puppy up out of your way. Now, with the door halfway hanging off, I didn't want to close it. That is how you get this camera / handle out. Now, let's put it back because we don't want no one to know we were ever here. So, line everything up. I like how this little Pinocchio guides work. And we're going to put this little felt in here because that helps seal the thing. So, put that back. You're going to snap everything back together. And then you're going to put the taillights out, taillights back, because you're the one who took them out. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.